DJ, I wanna rap. I'm a blood clot DJ, I'm a shot selector.
See where Ray Boss are deal with. You see me next track where I jump in a Vybz Kartel, 𝐑𝐂𝐓𝐿. Like I say, he been drop this, should have been in a crib, just like get around to it, gang. You know what I'm saying? Forgive your boy. You see me? We gonna get to it. You see me? Yeah. Vybz Kartel, 𝐑𝐂𝐓𝐿. We're there. Let's get it.
That dwelleth in the secret place of the Most High. I'm so high. Shall abide under the shadow of the Almighty. From where?
And that's facts. And that's facts. That dwelleth in the secret place of the Most High. Shall abide by the love of the Almighty. You see me? Go on, Joe.
Don't have a blessing. So them pass me the wisdom. And I find things bag of weed.
Hey, yo, here we go. Me already see where this is going on. Vybz Kartel. We can't see why people. Me can't see why people complaining. Vybz Kartel, stop with these bunch of promotions, bro. These are not songs, you know. And people so fool, you know. These are not songs Vybz Kartel dropping. Vybz Kartel are promoting products. From White Rum, people are say, yo, White Rum, which is a vibe though. Makes it Red Bull with the White Rum. Like night, it's a vibe. But I promote the man, I promote him rum, bro. You see me? I promote him rum. So 𝐑𝐂𝐓𝐿, you know. From me see that post that about I promoting 𝐑𝐶𝐻𝐿 dog. So these tunes when I hear from the world boss right now, you know if you take them too serious, you know. You see me I say that because I promoting products, which I don't blame him. You see me I say you drop a products and you know say yo use a man when I see him sing about certain products price gone up. How to do the same shit, nigga? Anything we drop me I go drop rum, I go sing about it. Price of rum gone up. More price rum for expensive with me drop it. You damn right. You see me I say? But yeah, man. Vybz Kartel, I already see. Yeah, promoter with 𝐑𝐂𝐓𝐿, I get it. Well, you have to smart now. You have to smart to think like them man, you dog. Come in.
Special and hot gabas spliff me higher than Star Trek. Funny spaceship dog. Me no mean I no fuck with dog. Make sure say you hydrate this. The way me fucking eyes like a plane I can't land. Me look down, me celebrate me even sin the Jordan. But buy your own a Rizal and no beg me for one. Me bun 50 spliff for the
Hold on. But me tell you the one thing I do like about this. The man got the nostalgic vibe, dancehall beat, nigga. Isn't it? Vybz Kartel beat them sound dancehall, you know, sound like, you know. Well, he do have chops so in sample and you know some sample genre, but if you notice Vybz Kartel song got that dancehall beat. Listen to it. You see me I say? But yeah, man. I promote it, I promote him with that. You see me I say? Pinks, big up yourself. Like a plane I can't land. Me look down, me celebrate me even sin the Jordan. But buy your own a Rizal and no beg me for one. Me bun 50 the man say we are me high down. Me look down, me no see no land, me no see me Jordan. The man can't see him. Man, I no sense, you know, come in. Me celebrate me even sin the Jordan. But buy your own a Rizal and no beg me for one. Me bun 50 spliff for day, no crave for me use. Bully pa grabber. Chunky boy go suck out your father and your mother. Can't smoke pa me ends if I no weed them no father. Bag a man a pop pill them so fuck them one another. Cloud. Hey. Like me say, I got promoting products, bro. This is a big ass commercial Vybz Kartel Japan we head, brother. Big up a real boss. This is a bad still, you know. Cause you gonna still hear upon the ends. Cause this is a Vybz tune still, you know. Even though a commercial dog at Japan that Sykes. Am I freezing, gang? All the visuals. What go on? Yeah, man. Even though a commercial dog at Japan that Sykes, this gonna play on the ends. I see him so with the white. Mix your head, bull. People, it's a blatant commercial dog at Japan. But also, you play upon the ends, because we be playing that shit on our ends all the time. You see me, especially we had to drink and we have, yeah, man, let's get it, gang. I'm a fucking cloud, and my weed it loud, I'm smoking proudly. Cloud, I'm a fucking cloud, and my weed it loud, I'm smoking proudly. Loud, me no post it loud, me no wanna beg you smoke around me. Allow me, so I got enough bad feelings, Jesus. Please. Allow me, no wanna beg you smoke around me. Yo, you will get me round, and me like the grab, so no boy can't clown me. Notice how me girl spliff bigger than her lipstick. Yeah. Weed no make your jungle make your tip sick. Go down in a history. From me was a kid this smoking. Fuck up one of my lungs and two of me kidney. What the? So you know if you build that dog or what? From me was a kid this smoking. Fuck up one of my lungs and two of me kidney. Anywhere me gun me bring the fire
grab a whip me brown, but me never be see them and no Whitney. That mean no coke to everything I weed strictly. Bill a spliff quickly. In the cloud, I'm a fucking cloud, I'm a weed it loud, I'm a smoking proud.
Easy no. Hold on there. Chelsea Blue say, yo, Kartel paying himself to promote his product. Yeah, you're damn right. Cause you know you can't do that. Yo, Chelsea, you smart as hell. You're not busy, you can't do that. I still feel money anyway. Cause like, you see me, I say, Kartel realize the power of his fame. You see me, his stardom. You see me, I say, cause if you have a bombard, say if you have a product, you have a rum, for instance, I have a Whistler. You're the signer blood clot artist to promote a thing. You see me I say? Like for instance, me have one of them, I probably get like a craft or a blood me know if smoke really. Like, you know, craft or one of the new artists, Mali or you know, one of the new artists to promote my product. Kartel doing the same thing, except Kartel owns the product and he is the artist. So Kartel, Adija Palmer own the rum, own the Whistler, and he's paying Vybz Kartel, the artist, to promote him thing. You see me I say? Dark smart. I mean Chelsea, you catch a player. Yeah man, go on. Go on, Joe.
Cloud, I'm a fucking cloud, I'm a weed it loud, I'm a smoke it proudly. Loud, me no post it loud, me no wanna beg you
smoke a brownie.
Yo, you will get me round, and me act like the grab, so no boy can't clown me.
Man say, yo, love me, you get me rowdy, you know. Ain't act like you got no boy can't clown me, you know. Come here.
It's like a plane I can't land me look down me celebrate me divas in the Jordan. But buy your own a Rizal and no beg me for one me bun 50 spliff a day no crave a day me use. Bully a grabber. Chunky boy go suck out your father and your mother. Just smoke from me and if I know it.
Suck out your father and your mother, yo, this.
Eat them no father, bag a man a pop pill them so fuck them one another. Cloud them a fucking cloud.
Bag a man a pop pill them a go. Hey, alright. This is the tune, the part where I hear they was talking about. I was wondering where it came from. You see me, the talk about yo Vybz Kartel this pill poppers. So I say, which tune Kartel this them in our go and rate? Okay, this is the one. You see me? But tell somebody just get around to them. You see me? So that people say, we ma this king and right you know, enough artists. Right now the answer pop pill. You see me? I say so. You don't attack anybody. I'm not think Kartel really attack anybody specific, just attack cause Craft, Mal, I can't say Mali really. Craft always talk about pop pill. Mali, I don't know if Mali talk about him pop pill, I don't talk about the girl them pop pill. You know, Raja Wild and I'm pretty sure, you see me and say even Squash and them and the Skeng talk about pop pill. So, you know, a lot of people are wondering if a Skeng dog attack and It's kind of hard for him nowadays. Enough of them dancehall artists are sing about pop pill. You see me? So let's get it.
So fuck them one another. Cloud, I'm a fucking cloud, I'm a weed it loud, I'm a smoking proudly. Cloud, I'm a fucking cloud, I'm a weed it loud, I'm a smoking proudly. Loud, me no post it loud, me no wanna beg you smoke around me. Yo, you will get me round, and me act like the ground.
Yeah, that's crazy, man.
That's when a boy can't clown me. Cloud, I'm a fucking cloud, I'm a weed it loud, I'm a smoking proudly. Cloud, I'm a fucking cloud, I'm a weed it loud, I'm a smoking proudly.
Come on.
Loud, me no post it loud, me no wanna beg you smoke around me. Yo, you will get me round, and me act like the grab.
See, this is a big ass promotion. We don't go on, yeah, it's a big ass commercial. We don't go and follow up Kartel. We don't go and go. As I say, you study him, we never graduate, we not learn. Or not, you see, if you don't follow the Gaza or the Gaza fan, you can't understand them and thinking, you know. You see me what I'm saying? Yeah, man. Yeah, man. Can't follow up them and study them and they never graduate. That's a big ass commercial them man just drop on the head. I'll not talk about, Vybz Kartel. Kartel already if you start drop the real tune them yet. You see me what I'm saying, gang? But yeah, man, you don't know that a Vybz Kartel, Cloudy. You don't know.
I always tell the truth, even when I lie.